I could fly into the sky so very high, just like a dragonfly. I'd fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please. Oh, I want to get away, I want to fly away, yeah.
Did you see the helicopter this morning? Isn't it awesome? Okay, we have some very special guests in our building today, so that means we have to be on our very best behavior, so they know what a great school we are, just like we know.
Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? I'm looking pretty close out there, and I can see some future helicopter pilots. And I saw a mechanic over there somewhere. And there was a fuel truck driver sitting over here, but I don't know where she went. Oh yeah, I said she. Did you know girls can fly helicopters? Girls can be mechanics? Girls can even drive big trucks. Let me tell you a little bit about the history of helicopters. Can you guess when helicopters first were invented? How about in 1907? They're around there. People came up with helicopters, but the problem with them, they wouldn't fly. They weren't safe, they couldn't keep them going. Until a guy named Igor Sikorsky finally came up with a working prototype that could actually fly people, not just fly like a toy. And that was the VS-300, and he delivered that in 1940. And Sikorsky helicopters have been making helicopters ever since. And actually, they built this one here. This is a Sikorsky S-61, the one you'll see today. We got to get to the helicopter so you can get on board. And you also get to see us drop some water today. We saw some water drop out of the Bambi buckets, which was that orange bucket hanging on the helicopter in the video. Well, this helicopter has a tank underneath it, and you'll see we can carry up to 1,000 gallons of water. So there's going to be a big water drop out there this afternoon. And I'm looking forward to seeing each and every one of you see it happen. And we got just a couple minutes. If there's any big questions, we can take care of.
I've been in a helicopter before, and it was really cool. What if you have a bad time waddling and the flight is flat?
There's a hunger, a longing to escape from the life I live when I'm away. So let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Let's just can we stay? Can you take me higher?
That red button releases the water, and you can fly it from either side because you have all the instruments on both sides.
Can you take me?
Did you look up front? Did you look up front, bro?
Although I would like a world to change, it helps me to
take 50 showers with that much water.
There's like metal in it.
Come on, let's go there. Let's ask, can we stay? Can you take me higher to a place where
What is that one back there?
That's the tail rotor. That actually uses his feet on pedals, and he can change the pitch of those blades. So when he's flying or hovering like that, when he changes the pitch, it moves the helicopter like that, turns him left and right.
let's go there. Come on, let's go there. Let's ask, can we stay?